Sandy. Anyone order some new tracks?
Right this way, Locomiga.
Lay the track.
Snap the track.
Cross the track. Thanks. Wow, this was a bigger job than I thought. Guess I needed a lot of help after all.
Job's not over yet.
Now that we're back on track, let's go see that giant sand mountain.
Come on, Carly. You don't want to miss it.
And who knows if I'll need some more help along the way.
I do have some extra track pieces.
2 whiffs! First thing I'm gonna do when I see that sand mountain is make the sandiest sandcastle ever! How about you?
I'm going to extend my crane to see if it's as tall as me.
I bet it's way taller. What are you gonna do, Thomas? Thomas?
Are we there yet?
Almost. Just one mountain away. One steep mountain, that is.
Not the best time for me to be getting hot and tired from hauling this heavy sand.
Say no more. I could build you a fan to cool off. Or how about a nice cosy shed for a nap? Or I could read you my favourite bedtime story, the Itsy Bitsy Speeder.
That's okay. I think I'm just a little thirsty. That's all.
Look, there's a water tower over there.
I'm on it.
Sandy, you'd have to do everything yourself. I already know you're helpful.
Don't be silly. I've got it. Come on.
Careful, the water tower is tipping.
Don't worry, almost got it.
Sandy, look out!
Talk about a splash zone.
Well, I'm not thirsty anymore.
And now you have plenty of water to take with you. Problem solved.
But Thomas isn't carrying water, he's hauling sand. Oh no! The water turned the sand into slushy mud.
I'm sure the sand will dry by the time we get to Whiffs. Come on!
Wait, you can't go up that hill. The sand's gonna spill.
What are we going to do?
This is all my fault. I was supposed to be the best helper ever, not ruin the delivery.
Don't be silly. I couldn't have gotten this far without you. We'll just wait for the sand to dry, right here.
Yeah, we'll just wait.
There's no way Thomas can beat me now. Huh? Ah! Wait, I'm going the wrong way.
Thomas, catch! Thanks, guys.
Next stop, Whiffs. Time for a track attack.
Go, Thomas!
Hold on to your stack, because Diesel's back. I'm gonna chug. I'm gonna chew. I'm gonna pull ahead of you. This ought to slow him down.
Huh?
See you at the finish line. I'm gonna chug. I'm gonna chew. I'm gonna catch up to you. Phew, that's hard work. Oh no! Oh! My cars! Yikes! That was close! Ah! Percy, stop! Whack!
Don't worry, Thomas. I switched the track to stop your runaway cars.
Carly, those tracks are out. Look.
Oops.
Looks like I'm gonna be out too. Oh no! Epic mud plunge.
Come on, we've got to get you back on the track.
Oh, what's the point? Diesel's so far ahead now, I'm never gonna win the race. Guess I'm not really number one after all.
You're still number one to me.
You can still be a great train and not win everything, Thomas.
And you promised Gordon you'd make the delivery no matter what. You know what? You're right. I made the Thomas promise, and I'm gonna keep it. I'm gonna chug. I'm gonna chew. I've got a promise coming through.
We're gonna chug, we're gonna chew, we're gonna help pursue.
Thanks again, everyone. My eyes spy something black and white. Is it a cow? Moo betcha. Your turn. My eye spies something silver and super twisty. Is it those twisty twirly tracks? Uh-oh. Twisty twirly tracks? Won't those be difficult to cross with our colossal cargo? There'll be a breeze if we do it together. A little bumpy there. Good thing this team is going slow. Hey, Percy! I want to play too. My I spy. Whoa, 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 whoa! Wow, those tracks were chugga too fun. And you were right. It was a breeze when we took it nice and slow. Whoa! Whoa! Ah! Wait up! Slow down! I don't think they heard us. I mean you! Whoa! Rusty wheel spikes! Whoa! Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on! Whoa! Whoa! Phew, that was a close one.
Yeah, and it was kind of exciting too. Though, we should be more careful if we want to get this cottage delivered in one piece.
Yeah, you're right. I was thinking more about Percy's My Eye Spy game. My Eye Spy? Which we can catch if we cut through that tunnel. Come on!
I just don't get what the big deal is. Why can't we play our own game of My I Spy? Here, I'll start. My I Spy something black and white.
Is it... that skunk? Skunk? Such big stink. In such a little skunk. But you should see your face right now.
My face? You look like you've seen a green ghost.
Come on, we still have time to catch up to Percy. So much for my plan. Now I'll never get to carry Floaty in the parade. Wait! She's coming back! Almost. It's too high. Even my steam is pushing her away. Wait a second. And now it's even further away. That means we can use the steam to push the balloon where we want to. But even if we push her to Vicarstown, we'll never catch her that high up. Then it's time to improvise. Improvise?
Yeah, you know, make it up as we go.
Okay then, let's improvise. Hey, if we push Floaty to Lookout Mountain, we can grab it from above.
But how are we going to hook up back onto you, Leah?
Sandy and Carly have hooks.
Yeah, I'll go get them. We'll fast track and meet you at the top of Lookout Mountain.
Thanks, Kana. Come on, Thomas, I know just the route. A little puff here, and a little puff there. is it? Let's give Floaty one last push. 3, 2, 1. Blast off! Come on!
It's coming up higher than we thought. Don't worry. I got it. I got it. Yes. Nice job.
Nice one, Sandy.
Yeah! Totally awesome!
Whoa.
Hang on, Sandy. Gotcha, Sandy.
Thanks, Carly.
Whoa.
Hang on! Hold on! Hang on!
Yep, we got you. Come on.
Yeah!
Electric.
Crankin'.
Epic. Here we are. The overnight stop.
The great outdoors. No roof over our chimneys.
What?
No wall at our rear buffers.
I didn't even think of that. The music of the forest all around us. I'm afraid to sleep away from home.
Why didn't you tell us before?
I didn't want you to think I was a scaredy train.
It's okay to be nervous. I used to get nervous sleeping away from home.
Me too. You did?
Totally. And camping out in the woods can seem scary at first, but it can also be a lot of fun.
That's right. There's a ton of fun camping games we can play. Really? Like what?
Chug, chug, chug your train gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is a stream. Wow! Look at those constellations, Percy. That's Trinus. Oh, Engine Eye. And there's the little steamer.
I think you mean Taurus, Gemini, and a Little Dipper. You know what? I think I'm actually beginning to like camping. Glad to hear it, Percy. Oh, because I think it's time to go to sleep. Sleep?
Yep. We've got another long day tomorrow, so we better all get some rest so we can make our deliveries.
Good night, Thomas. Good night, Nia.
Good night, Percy.
Chugga. Chugga, 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 chugga. Thomas! Hey, Thomas! Psst. Thomas! Thomas!
Yeah, Percy?
Oh, good. You're awake.
I am now, but shh, we don't want to wake Nia.
Too late.
What's going on, Locomigo?
There's all kind of weird noises out here. Like that!
That's just the creaky crick of a little cricket. Diesel! He's too far away to hear us.
We're going to take a shortcut. Then I'll definitely get there on time.
Oh no! He's headed right for Crumble Canyon with all those bumps.
Jumbo could pop out any second. Come on, we've got to catch up to him.
Can't be that. I don't have time to slow down for all these bumps. But I also could break my car.
Phew! He's slowing down.
Yeah, but Thomas, we aren't.
Whoa! 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 Whoa!
you two doing here?
There was a mix-up with your delivery.
You took Jumbo by mistake.
Jumbo?
Yeah, that car's gonna explode. Confetti everywhere.
Confetti? Oh, I get it. More jokes, right? Yeah, okay, ha.
No, this isn't a joke. We're trying to help you. This is your delivery.
Like I'm gonna fall for that. Now, if you want to help me, just let me do my job.
He didn't believe us.
Even if he gets there on time, it won't matter if he has the wrong delivery. What are we gonna do?
I'll tell you what we're not gonna do. We're not gonna give up.
Nothing's gonna stop me this time. Oh, no, you don't. Nice try.
Ah!
Brendan Docks! Nothing and no one is going to stop me from getting this delivery on time. But just to make sure those jokesters don't try to slow us down with their funny business.
Where did Diesel go?
Down there!
He switched tracks on us again.
And he's almost at Brendan Docks. When he arrives with Jumbo, his delivery dreams are gonna blow up.